Now next question, number 20. If tan alpha minus beta is equal to 1 and sec alpha plus beta is equal to 2 by root 3, then find the value of values of alpha and beta, but these two values must be the smallest positive value. That means you are not supposed to get negative answer. So here we are getting two different terms. And whenever you solve any two simultaneous linear equations, you must have seen there are two variables given, and with the help of two variables you can easily solve. That means we need to convert this whole thing in algebraic form. It is given in trigonometric form, so we need to convert it in algebraic form. Similarly, for this equation also, if we can convert it in algebraic form, then it will be easier. So for the first one, tan alpha minus beta is equal to 1 can be written as tan alpha minus beta is equal to tan 45 degree. We are comfortable with degrees, so that is why in the question it is not mentioned whether to get the answer in terms of degrees or radian, so we can write with a degree. So from here we are getting alpha minus beta is equal to 45 degree. So that means the difference of two angles is 45 degree. Okay, next we have one more equation given there. It is sec alpha plus beta is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, now you know sec is 1 by cos, and cos sec alpha plus beta is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, so sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So therefore alpha plus beta is 30 degree. Okay, now it is very important here, if we solve these two equations, we have converted it in algebraic form. Now if you look at this, the difference of two angles is 45 degree and sum of two angles is 30 degree. This number is smaller than this. That means the sum of two numbers is less than the difference of two numbers. So obviously we will be getting one of the angles as negative. I think here you will be getting the negative answers of beta. So beta is negative, but in the question it is mentioned you must get positive values of alpha and beta. So now how are you going to get the positive values? So that means we need to find the angle which is greater than 45 degree. Okay, so it is easily we can get because sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3, so we can get some more angles of sec that gives us the same answer 2 by root 3 with the help of quadrant or this method what we are doing here. So from here what we can write is sec alpha plus beta is equal to sec. Now what I am supposed to write here? See, first of all you have to check in which quadrant sec is positive. Then it will be easier. You know, in the first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive, and in the last quadrant, fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Okay, so if you are coming to this quadrant, fourth quadrant, because first quadrant we don't have to do anything because it is given as 30 degree, and with the help of this 30 degree we are not getting the answer. So that means you have to come to this quadrant, fourth quadrant, and fourth quadrant means 2 pi, that is 360 degree minus some acute angle. So here we can write 90 into 4 minus 30. Okay, because in the fourth quadrant it is 360 degree. 360 degree is 90 into 4. Then minus 30, and if you check, this answer is 2 by root 3. So that means we are getting here sec alpha plus beta is equal to sec 330 degree. Okay. Now the value of alpha plus beta is coming as 330. So if you look at this, the sum of two angles is this 330 degree and the difference of two angles is 45 degree. So this angle is greater than 45 degree. So now easily we can solve these two equations. So this can be taken as equation number 1 and it can be taken as equation number 2. Now solving these two equations we get from equation 1 and 2 alpha plus beta is equal to 330 and alpha minus beta is 45. So 2 alpha is 375. So alpha is 187.5 degree. So if you put this value in one of the equations, you can find the value of beta. Putting the value of alpha as 375 by 2 in, you can take any equation, alpha plus beta is equal to 330. We get 375 by 2 plus beta is equal to 330. So beta is 330 minus 375 by 2. So we get beta is equal to 660 minus 375 by 2. So it is coming as 285 by 2.